Okay, hello, my name is Demaya Powell and I'm in Automotive, and this is what we're working on. This is a 1970 Cutlass Oldsmobile. So one of my classmates, Jordan, he cut out this right here. It's called a fender, and he cut sheet metal and welded together. Inside, I cut out a sheet metal to lay it as the floor panel, and some of the boys welded together on both sides, driver and passenger. This right here was all rusted out, and we cut pieces and we shaped it up as sheet metal right here. We weld all of these and lay tape down. Right here, they cut out sheet metal and placed right here to hold the panel in piece. The boys got down there, like down there, and add some welding pieces together. Me and my friend Lindsay, we cut out sheet metal to place right here to hold the trunk together. This is the trunk pedal that the owner had ordered, and we weld these pieces in. This side we still working on, so all the pieces that you have seen on that side isn't all the way finished. This right here, we cut and shaped up and weld pieces in so we can lay the tape down. They are sanding this down so we can put the car in primer. Now I'm going to take you to the trunk. Okay, this is the Cutlass Oldsmobile trunk panel. This was all rusted out, so we sanded and grinded down all the way to the bare metal. We have cut for the rusted pieces right here, but you can't tell. We laid sheet metal down, and now we laid body filler and metal glaze down. And now we're here. After this, we're going to clean everything up, clean it off, then we will put it in primer and give it back to the owner.
Right now?
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Jordan Cooper. I have auto collision at the CAS, I'm just telling y'all about some of our stuff that we do in auto collision, some of our panels that we've painted and worked on. So if y'all want to follow me, we're going to go over here to these ones. These are just some of our practice panels, some of the little guys. You know, you can look at these. But I decided to grab like two of the main ones. This one doesn't have any metallic in it, so it's just like a basic color. It's a shiny little red. And then this one is what we would do after you get the basic red. You would redo the whole process and work on another paint. And you would get all this metallic in there, which makes it look really nice. Gives you a really cool color. The process of doing these is you would get them down to the bare metal. From there, you would prime it up, get it ready for painting, paint it with your base coat, and toss some clear on there, make it look real nice. The clear is what makes it all shiny. So after we got done with these, we would work over here on these hoods. With these hoods, we had to be more involved with it and couldn't just slack off. So we would put more detail and time into it. So these are some of the hoods that we did in this class. They're shiny, some are metallic, some are not. They're really cool, really fun to do. 100% recommend trying out auto collision to do this stuff. But yeah, that's about everything on these panels.